So in Bootstrap 4 you can also have a Jumbotron, which you can do by saying Jumbotron like this, and then we can go in and say the title should be display 4, and we're calling this just title. Then we can have a paragraph with the class lead and say something like Lorm is subson text, and then maybe just copy and paste this a few times. Okay, great. And then let's take a look at how it looks in the browser. Alright, great. So let's take a look at it. So it looks like this. This is a Jumbotron placed inside a container. So what we can do now is we can be a bit more creative, and we can remove the container. Just take a look now. It will fill out the entire screen, and then we can go in here and actually place the container. So in here, let's ensure that we have this more readable. So let's put this up a bit more, right there, and then put it like this. Okay, great. So now you can see there's this spacing here, so it actually looks more centered. And we can also go in and create a HR element, which will create a line under. So let's go in and say my 4, and then end it like this. And then let's create button, say class BDN outline primary, and say contact us. Okay, great. So now if we take a look at it, you will have this underline here, and we will have this button here. Again, we can also go in and say something like for example danger, or we can try to find maybe a color that fits a bit better with this design here. So you can try around and see what you will find works best. But this is a really good thing for introduction to your website sometimes, just to like have a good landing page. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.